Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of aromatherapy with one of the best hydrangea candles on the market, the ROMIIE ZOI scented candle in hydrangea scent. If you're looking to transform your space into a serene garden-like atmosphere, stay tuned because this candle might just be what you need. Let's start with the basics. This candle is crafted by ROMIIE ZOI, known for their premium soy wax candles. It comes in a 6-ounce jar, which is perfect for home use. The scent profile is focused on hydrangea blossoms, offering a floral and refreshing aroma. The candle emits a delightful hydrangea blossom fragrance, ideal for creating a relaxing ambiance. Materials: made from 100% natural soy wax with a lead-free cotton wick, ensuring a clean and non-toxic burn. Burn time: it provides approximately 40 hours of burn time, making it long-lasting for multiple uses. Packaging: it comes beautifully packaged, making it a great gift option for various occasions. Now, you might be wondering why this candle stands out. Firstly, the scent is not overpowering but rather gently fills the room with a natural floral fragrance. Secondly, the use of soy wax ensures a cleaner burn compared to paraffin candles, which can release harmful chemicals into the air. Plus, the aesthetic packaging makes it a lovely gift choice. Whether you're winding down after a long day or setting the mood for a romantic evening, lighting this candle can help create a calming environment. It's suitable for any room in your home or even your office, bringing a touch of nature indoors. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for a hydrangea scented candle that not only smells great but also burns cleanly and lasts long, the ROMIIE ZOI scented candle is definitely worth considering. Whether for yourself or as a thoughtful gift, it ticks all the boxes of what makes a great candle. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations. See you next time.